Hello everyone, welcome to Nifty Bank Nifty. Today we are going to analyze Nifty 50 chart, the 5 minutes chart for the day December 10, 2025. So let me start with the indicators that the market traveled. So this red color line is the R1, below this black color line is the previous day high, and the CPR and S1 and previous day low. So these are the indicators that market involved today. You see, market is kind of a bearish one. So bearish trend followed today, and also there are a lot of learnings and some kind of good opportunities found. So let me start with where it opened. So market exactly opened at 25,863 with a good green color candle, and you can see in the first candle itself it taking the good support in the CPR. You can see the wick that found in downside of the first candle. Then market move towards this previous day high and also to R1 because those are close to each other. Okay, so after 10 you can see a lot of green candles found. So market try to reach both the levels that we are having for day trading, and the market broken these both levels at 10:15 and 10:20. Okay, so as soon as it reaches that level, it not sustained at that point, and as we are having this R1, it plays an important role today because that act as a good resistance today. So you can see almost 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so almost for half an hour, so almost half an hour, I mean we can say 30 minutes, it facing a good resistance at this R1. Okay, and the market broken these two levels at 10:25 from above to below, and this is a kind of a good opportunity for trading found here because it's broken the two important levels from above to below and suppresses the broken candles low within the second candle. I mean within two candles it suppresses the broken candles low, so you can take the trade at 10:35 at this point, 25,917, and put the stop loss above these two levels, maybe at 25,945. Okay, and take the profit at the CPR. So you can take the trade at 10:35 and close the trade at 10:55. So this is a kind of a good trade because it satisfied our condition as well as the following good risk reward ratio. Okay, I think some persons took this trade and made some profit. Put that in comment section, guys. That will be helpful for everyone. So after that it reaches the CPR at 10:55. Market tried to go above. So you see at the time at 11 a.m. CPR act as a good support, but the BS are so powerful in this day, so market tried to pull the market, I mean BS are tried to pull the market down. So then again market reaches the CPR, and you can see from 11:35 to almost 12:20 market traveled in between this linear CPR only. So this is saying to us like CPR act as a good support at this time. So it's market feel very hard to broke this level, but after a long struggle you see at 12:25 market broken the CPR, and he's the tricky trade that found, like even I took the trade. So at this time I took the trade buying the put option in the money put option 25,900 at 12:30, set my stop loss above the CPR and planning to take the target at the next important indicator, the level S1. So this trade tested my patience very well, like it almost reaches my stop loss, but I didn't came out of the trade because I believe in the CPR, because once the CPR act as a good support at this time, the same CPR act as a good resistance. Okay, so I felt like definitely market will came down because of the CPR we are having. Okay, so I wait for this 135 candle to close. So as per my prediction, it closes inside this CPR only. So at this point, I had a thought like I should exit the trade, but I wait for this candle to close. And one more thing here noted is these candles are opening inside the CPR only. So it's not opening above that. So which means it's not broken the CPR yet. So I wait for this 135 candle to close even though it reaches my stop loss. Okay, so it's a kind of a good risk that I felt at that time. So as per my prediction, it closes inside the CPR only. Again, it came down to my target. So I made some good profit in this trade, but it tested my patience in very good and bad way. I can say uh, both. Okay, because I took the trade at 12:30. At 1:35, it tested my patience because I waited for almost more than an hour. Then again, I waited for an hour to take my profit. So I patiently wait for it to reach my target. Okay, guys. So as soon as it reaches the S1, you can see the long green color candle found at 2:30. So after the market moved down from the CPR, it reaches this S1. Once it reaches this S1, you can see this green color candle which is saying it is working as a good support at the time. So bulls are try to pull the market up, and bears are so powerful also, so they try to pull the market down. So you see kind of a sideways followed after 2:30. So that's not a issue because it's almost market to end. So yeah guys, like below that you are seeing this black line. So that is a previous day low. So what do you think about this day? Put that in the comment section, and share where you take the trade and what is the reason for that, like that. So I'm open to reply guys. So thank you for your time. Have a nice day. We will meet in another video. Thank you.